Hello, in this one I'm going to show you how to make a car bomb. You could also transform this into a suicide bomb script if you wanted to. All the code and websites we mentioned are going to be in the bottom of this video. So let's begin. The objective is to have a checkpoint, let's say, of blue 4, and we're going to name a car we place down car 1. And that guy's there setting up a checkpoint. We're going to have a second car, and that's going to be a civilian. And I'm going to name this car 2. And I'm going to give him a waypoint, and it's going to go somewhere near the car. And when car 2 gets close enough to car 1, car 2 is going to explode. That's the objective. I'm going to set his waypoint statements to careless. I'm going to make him full speed. And I'm going to set him to never fire. I'm going to put a trigger down, and it's going to say car 2 distance car 1, and then we're going to use the less than, let's say, 10 for this. So your condition is car 2 distance car 1 less than 10. So when car 2 is less than 10 meters from car 1, something's going to happen. I'm going to paste in our code here, and I'll just walk you through this code I've pasted into the activation field. Strike equals close square brackets, and then we end the line there with a semicolon. And that's just reserving a variable, letting everybody know about it. The next part excludes everybody who isn't the server from knowing what's happening, and that's so we don't have multiple explosions in a multiplayer game. We're just going to have one explosion. And then this is the code inside here. Strike equals R 80mm HE createVehicle getpos 2. So we're creating a artillery shell which is going to act as an explosion next to car 2. This is the part here you can edit, and this is a class name, and I'm going to link you to a list of ordnance class names. And you could change this to an LGB, for example, and have a bigger explosion. Or you could change this to a hand grenade and have a smaller explosion. I'll link you to the website, and it'll be called Class Names List, and I'll give you some options there to change that. And that's all we need, really. So let's test it out and see what happens. And as you can see, the car gets close and then detonates. So that's simply how we create a simple explosion. You can do the same thing with units if you want to, like I said, create a suicide bomb script. You could also have just an unmanned vehicle as well, it explodes when something goes near it. That's all from this one, goodbye.